Good morning, beautiful people. How did you sleep? I hope you had a restful night and are ready to embrace the new day with positivity and energy. Let's talk about starting your day the best way. Imagine waking up and feeling refreshed, ready to take on whatever comes your way. It all begins with a few simple steps. Forget hitting the snooze button. Instead, take a moment to breathe deeply and appreciate the quiet of the morning. This small change can set a positive tone for your entire day. It's time to wake up and feel amazing. Get out of bed with a smile and a sense of gratitude. Think about one thing you're looking forward to today. How? With some gentle morning stretches. These stretches don't have to be intense. Just a few minutes can make a big difference in how you feel. It's the perfect way to greet the day. Stretching helps to wake up your muscles and get your blood flowing. It can also help to clear your mind and prepare you for the day ahead. No crazy moves, just easy stretches to wake up your body. Focus on your breathing and take it slow. Enjoy the process and listen to your body. Stretching in the morning can make you feel so good. It's a gentle way to start your day and can improve your mood and energy levels. It's like giving yourself a warm hug from the inside out. Ready to try it? Take a few moments each morning to stretch and see how it transforms your day. You deserve to feel amazing every single day. Why stretch in the morning? Well, it helps your body wake up and feel refreshed. Stretching gets your blood flowing and your energy moving. Feeling stiff from sleep? Stretches can help you feel more flexible and ready for the day. Say goodbye to those morning aches and pains. Not only that, but morning stretches can boost your mood. It's like a little dose of happy before you even get out of bed. Let's keep it super simple. Starting your day with some gentle stretches can make a world of difference. Here are a few stretches you can do right in bed. These are perfect for those mornings when you just want to ease into the day. No need to even leave your cozy spot. You can start feeling refreshed and energized without even stepping out of bed. First, try a gentle spinal twist. This stretch helps to wake up your spine and get your blood flowing. Hug your knees to your chest, then let them fall to one side. Feel the gentle twist in your back and hold for a few breaths. Take a deep breath and switch sides. This helps to balance out your body and ensures both sides get a good stretch. Next, give your neck a little love. Our necks often hold a lot of tension, especially after a night's sleep. Slowly tilt your head from side to side. Feel the stretch along the sides of your neck and take your time. Feel those gentle stretches in your neck muscles. This can help relieve any stiffness and prepare you for the day ahead. Remember, listen to your body. Each stretch should feel comfortable and never painful. Never push yourself too far. The goal is to gently wake up your muscles, not to strain them. These stretches should feel good. Enjoy the process and start your day with a smile, feeling relaxed and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Ready for your 5-minute morning routine? It's so easy. Let's get started with some simple and effective stretches that will wake up your body and mind. Start with some gentle neck rolls. Slowly roll your head from side to side, feeling the stretch in your neck muscles. This helps to release any tension that might have built up overnight. Then try those spinal twists we talked about. Sit or stand with your back straight and gently twist your torso to the left and right. This movement is great for your spine and helps improve flexibility. After that, hug your knees to your chest and rock side to side. This simple motion massages your lower back and can help relieve any stiffness. This feels so good on your lower back. Take a moment to really enjoy this stretch, breathing deeply and slowly. Finish with a big stretch, reaching your arms up high. Extend your fingers towards the sky and feel the lengthening in your entire body. This final stretch helps to energize you for the day ahead. And there you have it. A quick and easy routine that takes just 5 minutes but makes a big difference. See, I told you it would be easy. These stretches are perfect for starting your day on a positive note. Now you're stretched and ready to conquer the day. Remember, consistency is key. Make this routine a part of your daily morning ritual, and you'll notice the benefits in no time.